Boatman Actor Series Bait Boat. The basic version is stable and resistant to wind and waves. 4 versions to choose from: GPS version for accurate navigation, Sonar version for intelligent fish detection, version for professional multifunctionality. 500-meter remote control distance, 2.4G high-frequency wireless, signal interference resistance, front push joystick, enters cruise control mode in 5 seconds. 3 kg payload. 3-level wind resistance, maximum speed of 65 meters per minute. Compass calibration, intelligent direction identification, equipped with night navigation lights, convenient for night fishing users. 5,000 mAh and 10,000 mAh large capacity lithium batteries. Independent opening of bait hoppers, dual independent motor drive. GPS version provides excellent navigation experience with 16 navigation points. Achieve automatic navigation, nest fishing, and automatic return. When the remote control is out of power, loses control, or exceeds 500 meters, the boat will automatically return. Sonar version with 3.5-inch screen displaying a 100-degree detection angle. Accuracy error of only 0.1 meters. Sonar fish detection technology makes fish detection smarter and more efficient. Actor Series Bait Boat meets your different needs with different versions. From the basic version for free exploration, to the Sonar version for intelligent fish detection, and the GPS version for accurate navigation, as well as the Pro version for professional multifunctionality. Each version will bring a different water experience, whether you are a beginner or a professional fisherman. Actor Bait Boat will be your capable assistant.